Thank you for joining me for this shoulder stand pose breakdown. So you're going to need to grab a blanket or a like a thick towel or something, because you need to be able to put some padding underneath the shoulder area for when we do our shoulder stand, that we do not hurt the back of our neck. So we want to keep the natural curve of the neck as we're doing a shoulder stand. So go ahead and grab a blanket or a nice oversized towel to use to place underneath your shoulders. Go ahead and come on down to your mat. Some warnings for this pose. Do not do this pose if you have any neck or disc injuries in your back. Also, this is not a pose you want to do while you are menstruating. So for women, do not do this during menstruation. Also not during pregnancy. And then for everyone, if you have high blood pressure, this is a pose that you really should avoid, okay? The shoulder stand is great to alleviate insomnia. It stimulates the thyroid, the parathyroid, and prostate function. For men, it also is great to help decrease varicose veins, increase circulation. It helps relieve mild depression and stress. So there's a lot of benefits to this pose. That it is an inversion, and we're going to start. I'm going to show you 3 different modes of shoulder stand. The full pose will be shown at the end. So please make sure that you're just, as you're practicing, please be careful. Pay attention to your body and what your body is able to do. Do not push it so that you don't get any injuries. Okay, so yoga is a great practice, but it is also, as any exercise, is a practice that can cause injuries. And so you want to be careful. Pay attention to your body. Don't push yourself too far. Take your time. If shoulder stand is something that is not in your practice, or you do have one of those contraindications, go ahead and do legs up the wall. That is a partial inversion that is very good for the circulation. And I do have a pose breakdown of legs at the wall. You can also you can't do the full shoulder stand. Staying right here is actually very good also. When you master this position, then you can go ahead and work on getting your full shoulder stand. So get your blanket and fold it up so that you can put it underneath your shoulders so that your head is coming off the edge of the blanket. This does create a different, your back is not going to be flat on the mat. So it's going to feel a little bit different than if you try to do shoulder stands without anything underneath your shoulders. But this is the best, proper, safest way to do it. We want to keep our elbows out so that we're going to be creating kind of like a tripod when we go up. And it's going to take a little bit of effort to get your back up. Using your fingers to pivot and your legs. Then take your hands to your hips and you're going to straighten up more. And as you straighten up, go ahead and bring your legs more straight, more perpendicular. come out of this pose, you want to come back, pivot back, and then come on down and roll down and up. Please be extra careful when you're practicing this pose. You do need to really be careful of the neck, that you do not cause any injuries. So practice carefully and have a great day.